Good afternoon, I'm Kat.
And I'm Kev.
And we're your wilderness wanderers.
Yes, we are.
And today we are back in Palm Springs.
Right.
And we're just about to take a canyon hike in, where are we, Kev? Help me here.
We're going to take the Andreas Canyon Loop Trail. Here we go.
Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we could stay why we could stay why we could stay
Andreas Canyon Loop is located within the Indian Canyons, which is home to the Agua Caliente Band of Mission Indians. It's an easy, highly trafficked 1-mile trail that begins at the parking lot.
Step into the world outside. The future never looks so bright. Can't you hear it calling us? Let go. Leave all of your cares behind. You never know you.
Hold on, which one? Oh, wow. Look at this. Kev's pointing out that one right there in the center. That's like a knife's edge. Kev just said it's Coyote and Roadrunner country.
I think I might see a tunnel around the corner here. Just keep looking back at the same sheer cliffs that we were just underneath, and it just goes on forever.
Let's go. Dive into the deep blue sky. Come with me to paradise. Can't you hear it calling us?
I can see people on the other side. This trail loops around up here and comes back down the other side of this canyon.
Somebody's got a big smile on their face. Why are you smiling so much?
Wait till you see this part right here. Go.
Oh, our favorite steps. At the top of the loop is the Andreas Club, which was formed in 1921. It's a private club comprising of 24 members who built 22 small homes on the property along with a clubhouse.
These rock houses were built to blend into the environment, and there's no water or power. If a club member dies, the rock house reverts back to the club, and surviving family can request to join the club to retain the right to access the area.
Stones we carry, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children. We're taking the high road.
Andreas Canyon is part of the San Jacinto Mountains, which are the northernmost of the Peninsula Ranges, which run 930 miles from Southern California to the tip of Baja. The highest peak in the range is San Jacinto Peak at 10,834 feet. The range is a fault block of granite rock squeezed between the San Jacinto Fault on the west and the San Andreas Fault system on the east. The height and steepness of the range, going from sea level to 10,000 feet in a few miles, points out that these faults are very active.
We hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button. The views don't get much better than that.
That's what we saw before. I wonder if they're swallows.
Hearts are wayward, sun is swollen. Rest tomorrow, the ways unfolding. Oh, we're taking the high road. Finally awaken, we're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run.
Hope you've enjoyed this trip up the Andreas Canyon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button. And we'd love to hear from you on social media too.
From Kat and Kev, your wilderness wanderers, We'll see you on the trail.